Going to be a warm night tonight. Temperature's not falling off all that much, only losing about a degree or so going into the evening hours. And by tomorrow, I think we're going to pick up a little bit better shot for getting a couple of showers in here, really. So here's Vipercast. It does paint a couple showers in the overnight hours and through the morning. You see some showers blowing on in as the wind kind of cranks up a little bit more today. A little bit breezier on Saturday, that is, than what we saw today. Then everything gets pushed westward. We see more breaks in the clouds in the afternoon and evening. And then we look for possibly an overnight shower going into Sunday morning. Seas out there, they're still kind of choppy, 3 to 5 feet. They'll be about that tomorrow, maybe up to 6 feet in the Gulf Stream. So small craft caution for the offshore waters. East-southeast wind, 20 plus or so. Inland waters, moderate chop to choppy. We have a high tide in the morning, low tide in the afternoon. Of course, with all that onshore wind, we get the rip currents and, of course, the early return of the man-o-wars. Those little blue bottles out there. You don't want to touch those. They sting like crazy, way more than jellyfish do. So stay away from those. And keep your dogs away from them, too. 7-day forecast, mid-80s for highs, mid-70s for lows. Not a cold front in sight as we go into, oh, I forgot to take the Christmas icon off, but as we go into the new year.